This is our Customer Success Awards 2022, and this is the first time we've had these awards in person. So it's a great opportunity for us to gather as a GIS community to celebrate the work of all of the customers that we have across the island of Ireland.
It's super to see so many spectacular projects been nominated for some amazing awards.
We work on the Government Land and Property Asset Register. It's a project that's been set up to collect government assets for the Northern Ireland Civil Service.
The project we've been working on is the National Hub Network, where we have mapped a potential 650 hubs across Ireland.
We've been nominated for the Field Mobility Award. It's for our features collection app, which allows our operational staff to collect features out on site.
If we won the award tonight, it would promote the fact that we've used GIS technology in an appropriate way in terms of peatland rehabilitation throughout Ireland.
Projects were helping their organisations to achieve maybe a net zero goal, or to understand the rural environment better, or to drive urban regeneration.
Someone once said, and I agree with them, nothing succeeds like success. And our belief is that if we can embed that in your business, ultimately it will help our business.
The Standout Success Award goes to the Department of Housing, Local Government and Health. The Standout Success Award goes to South Dublin County Council and Laoghaire Rathdown County Council. The Standout Success Award goes to Actavo. The Standout Success Award goes to Fibrus. The Standout Success Award goes to the artists formerly known as Ordnance Survey Ireland. Standout Success Award goes to Inland Fisheries Ireland.
The winner of this year's Making a Difference Award from the Department of Housing, Local Government and Heritage is Mr. Rob Ovington.